Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Aman here. Today doing another review video is about optimized. Okay, so optimized is going to be released tomorrow on May 23rd, and it is done by the Will Stephen, Connor, and the Mark. So in the nutshell, basically this optimized is about is it is a video training guide which will show you how you can optimize your videos in the YouTube videos. You can optimize your YouTube video basically. So they have the corner has just explained the way in very details that how we can optimize you or rank your YouTube video organically without paying anything. Okay, so this is basically very detailed training which you will be getting in $12.95. The input or the information which they have just put inside, actually the value is way more than this $12. Okay, and then plus on top of, I will be giving you my custom made bonuses which are specially created for you. Okay, so then if this sound is something interested to you, then just stick with me. I'll be showing you in this video the sales page. I'll showing you the my bonus delivery page. Okay, and yeah, then let's go and see. As you can see here right now, I'm inside the members area for optimized. So what you can see, this is the optimized introduction by Wilson. So Wilson, and here on your left hand side is the course content. So where you can see introduction module 1. Inside the module 1 there is a new and age channel and the channel setup. This is talks about the this one is talks about the new and age channel. Then this video, channel setup, channel optimization, watermarks, how to record your first video and capturing your screen. So as you can see here in the members area, all the videos, all the training is explained step by step, which is incredible. I really love it, and I especially have used their strategies, so it is really helpful to rank your video. Okay, and then here they have just explained the OBS full setup. OBS is the setup which we use to record the screen. Okay, and module 2 which will talks about the video optimization, and again all these steps here which comes under the module 2. And if you will click here, free bonus training, additional enhanced training, then here is the optimized pro done for you content. This will I will explain you inside the price and upsells and optimize coaching, optimize and reseller, right? So again you can see here in the members area, if you will be scroll down, keyword research, title and description tag, how to do thumbnails, optimize with vidIQ. Then these are the case studies, and here after done this step, what to do next, they have explained that in this video. And then again these are the access bonus training here and additional enhanced training. Okay, so as this optimized this training, this is, I would say this is incredible good, and the value for this is 12 in front end $12.95. With that, you're getting this whole video training step by step, and then plus you're getting my custom made bonuses and the vendor bonuses, which is incredible nice. Okay, so okay, this is the here is the Connor, Markrey, and Will Stephen. They are the one who created this video training. So basically this optimized is have never seen this before, and this is especially for the new affiliate, and those are just making the YouTube videos but the videos are not ranking. Okay, or the new YouTubers, for them this is a very good information on the video training. So inside this training you will get unlock exclusively high ticket profit strategies for a rock bottom cost, predictable, passive, and recurring results online from 100% free traffic without any experience. Okay, and then this is a sales video here, and then it is the fastest and shortcut to real success online. Six-figure coaching secret revealed without the high ticket price. 100% beginner friendly, and you will get the free traffic, no list, no experience, no technical skill required. Includes all the tools and resources, and be set up today. Okay, so again, I'll just quickly show you. This is my sales page here. Sorry, this is my bonus page here. And here, see the optimized, with the optimized you learn the secret from high ticket course for a low cost. Okay, so you just learn from Connor, Will, and the Mark who went, sorry, Connor and Will only. Mark is the coach. So these both of them are the MOF members who went from the beginners to experienced marketer as they help unlock the high ticket hacks that only super affiliate knows. So this free training method helps fast track you to those $100 per day. So the price, the front end price is for $12.95. In this front end you will get the fastest and shortcut to real success online. Six-figure coaching secret revealed without the high ticket price, 100% beginner friendly, and free traffic from massive authority platform. No list or experience required. Include all the tools and resources. Be set up today for recurring income for years to come. Then the OTO number one is Optimized Pro, which is for 37.95 cents. It will show you inside, gives you 10 times your optimized result. Receive exclusive additional advanced training. Learn the essential hacks the gurus fails to mention. Reveal the secret website we use to guarantee our success, and discover the same software used by super affiliate. Must see the traffic hack essential for any beginners. Then the next audio number two, optimize done for you content, which is for almost $40. Get a surge of traffic with optimized done for you videos. Simply upload and our copy paste content for instant result. This include 250 proven and tested campaign we use ourselves. Is done for you, so you can just copy and paste the watch the result, skip the work and get the instant traffic. OTO number three, which is for optimized coaching, this is almost like $295. Inside you will get the access to twice call for 45 minutes with the Q&A calls with the Mark Ray, who is super affiliate SEO specialist and award-winning coach. And then the Connor and Will Stephen, those are the affiliate marketers. And then the OTO number four is optimized reseller right. So if you will get this OTO 4, then you will get the resell right also. And then here are my bonuses which I will be giving whoever is picking this optimized by my link, which is given below in the YouTube description. So it's Brandify all audio. So the Brandify, this is also the video training done by the Will Stephen. Inside he has shown the how in the beginners the affiliate, how they how they can brand themselves. Okay, he has explained very nicely and in detail the all the sites and the free tools which he used to brandify himself, or which tools help him to create the products. And the bonus number two, he shows the quickest way to build a list tutorial. So in the begin for the new affiliate, basically to build a list is very challenging. Okay, so in this tutorial he has shown you the easiest way, or the his strategies which he used to the which help him to quickest way the build a list. Okay, so he has explained that one. Bonus number three, start your own online coaching business. And the bonus number four, my top 10 tips on how to beat the competition. Okay, 10 easy ways to beat the competition. And bonus number five is for vendor bonuses, which I'll just show you in the sales page. So again, just click here to secure your copy, your bonuses, and you can click the button below now to claim your free awesome bonus package. Okay, so now let's go to the sales page. And here, as in sales page, you will see the different income short. Those have just tried this one, and this is their income short, and this is the testimonial by the beginners, and they have just explained more about the optimized excuse me. I want to show you the the bonuses. They're giving you the two great bonuses. Bonus number one is for you will get inside, get 6 bonus training video and get extra resource to stay 100% anonymous when using this optimized method. And bonus number two, optimize conversion assets. Inside you will, they're giving you these stacks of conversion asset worth of for almost $1,500. So again, at the end you will be getting the 30 days money back guarantee and 100% money back guarantee. So as a honest reviews, I highly recommend this one. Even I'm using this one. They optimized their video training is also, this is very helpful for the new affiliate, for the beginners. This is really will put your YouTube videos on the top. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching my review. If you have any question, just leave the question below in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And don't forget to hit the like button and comment and subscribe to my channel. And just please press the notification bell, so then you will be made aware when I'll be doing my next review. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate your time and see you next time. Bye.